better say them a go some bad mind and them see the negative, them never see the good in man. Certain bloggers, you shoulda call them faggers, cause all them do a pick side and well quick for bring down man.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. Alright, I know I'm forward for all a little reasoning, you know what I mean? But first of all, you see the song I'm going to play in the intro, a Rain Son sing it. And you see that song there, it a cause a bag of controversy. JA radios and a number of other vloggers are defend the song. But then again, the MVP vloggers then, and I'm not going to say the MVP vloggers them, but Terro TV disagree with the song, you know what I mean? So them on JA radio, I don't know if them have a little conflict go on, which I didn't see Terro TV video, but me get a little clippings at JA radio video, you see me? Me did watch it. But basically what Terro TV I say, JA radio run with one song where at this the vlogging community. So that are the first thing I want to talk about, but are two major topic I want to talk about. That and the beef we are going between DMR, yeah man, DMR, CVLNG, him and Souflo TV in our beef right now. But make we talk about JA radio and Terro TV. Alright, let me make this statement first. Yo, you see everybody we do vlogging, everybody in the vlogging community, whether you just take things off IG and put back on YouTube, whether you just go on live and rant about your artist because of your artist, and if you want to talk about your artist or your artist, or if you want to vlog about a specific side, whether it be Gully, Gaza, Vendetta, JOP, Unruly, me rate, you know. I rate all vloggers because it's not easy for you to do this every day. You see me? It's not easy for edit them video, do the voiceover for them video, edit them, upload them, and then you have people tell you about your mother, father, auntie, sister, brother, and a bag of things. It's not easy, you know what I mean? But then that's a one requirement, because once you're in the vlogging world, or once you're in anything where you put yourself out there like that, you have to get criticized. You see me? And Terro TV, me no feel like say JA radio really wrong for run with a song like that, as you put it. Because remember, you know, a long time them a push the artist there. I remember say I them play the artist there. Well, I them make me first hear about the artist there. You see me? And to tell you the truth, if the artist there never put them 4 lines there in the song, or I should say 1 line where say vloggers and faggers, Uni would talk about it right now. And when you separate that line there, just take that chunk the out of the song. The song bad overall. And JA radio just do them job. I vlog about the song. So Terro TV, honestly, me don't feel like say JA radio them a corruption in a dancehall music, or a corruption in a the vlogging community. You see me? Them just do them thing. And I rate them. But you see, we as vloggers, me not gonna say we as vloggers for unite. Because if you even look at dancehall music, one big segregation. And that is what we talk about every day. Not for we vloggers. Go up on live or go put up a video and talk about say, yo, dancehall is segregation, and we need to come together and look at the hip hop artists and look at the foreign artists and X, Y, and Z. And we as vloggers we self can even live together. So honestly, me not really feel like say it will come to a point where every vlogger a link and every vlogger a friend. First of all, it not go nice, so, and the next thing, we need mankind. You see me? But every vlogger fi have a understanding. Every vlogger fi know it's like them need fi have a vlogger protocol where them follow. And then, yeah, vlogger protocol, I mean, you are going to use your own common sense and initiative and know say, yo, certain things you don't upload. Vloggers have a big responsibility. And some of them, all know them not realize them responsibility. You see right now, in a 2018, vloggers are the gatekeeper. Of dancehall music. And we decide what is hot from what is not. And we decide where get stream from where get dump. You see me? So we need to act more responsible and we need to act more professionally. Because if we don't act them way then, Nobody now go rate we, and everybody I go just see we as this underground community until one big probably news corporation or one big company just come up and take it over. And don't feel like say a big entity can't forward and just flood the market, and at them I get all of the watch time and them I get all of the this and the that. A man fi be more responsible and know say yo, when him post a video, him now go write say Cartel get free. And we all know say Cartel dey a jail same way. Then other people as I go look pan we as credible. Yeah man, it's a while more do that video here. Because me I tell you, see anytime I put my mind to something and say yo me I go do it. Me no want in a community where people look pan the vloggers them. Because yeah, me a vlogger now. Me no want people I look pan as some underground, underrated communities. See me? We need to step up the thing. And as I tell you, we are like the city right now. So, our next topic we want to talk about now, because I just dedicate that video here to the vlogger them. You see me? I just do some vlogger correction. DMR, brother, I rate you. I mean, I say you try in the thing and I never try. Yeah, do it. Because you are one of the first vlogger them. Well, some years still. I'm not there around the vlogging thing so long, but me here say I use the thing X, Y, and Z, A, B, C. Yo, brother, you can't accuse a man just because him nah promote your album. You can't accuse the industry because a vlogger don't review your album or a vlogger don't review one song on your album. Me don't know what you and Souflo have, but me watch your video. Because as I tell, me subscribe to your channel, you know. You see me? I'm gonna watch your video. And me never really like oh yeah act. I mean, some part of what you say me get and understand, but me tell you this. You cannot force a man to try support you in your dreams. Because me sure, you know, is a lot of people supposed to come to you with song and say, yo, post a song there for me now. Post a song there for me now. Post a song there for me now. And you can't tell me say all of them people they never sound good. And me know say you not post some of them. Me not have to ask that. You see me? So you can't this Souflo them way there. And people, me not defend Souflo. Souflo, I know my friend, I don't know the brother. A matter of fact, me never to subscribe to Souflo. Me just go over him channel sometime, go look. I mean, Souflo, I know him not really make my type of video them. As what me say, me not really know nothing about Souflo channel. And me not this me and Souflo and a friend. But me not hate the man. You see me? As what me say, I rate all vlogger. But DMR, you can't do that, brother. You can't bad up a man just through him not review your song. And yeah, I go say, yo, the whole of with a vlogger and the whole of with in the industry and X, Y, and Z, we need to support one another. Alright, look how me out draw one card, you know. 20 Price. And what the brother name again? Prince Pine. Do a bad video what day. You see me? Bad song, bad video. Me not see a review it, brother. Don't because them man they mostly dep on IG, you know. Wall away I the same social media personally, you know. Me not really see a review it. Me never see you put up Noah Power song and Noah Power have one bad song out there. You see me? So look back in yourself, and as I say, me don't know where you and Souflo really have. But as the part what me I get from the video, I say, yo, yeah, burn out some vlogger because them not support you, and the whole of we are one vlogger and we are one industry and X, Y, and Z. Because right there and done, when you say, yeah, burn out the vlogger them, right now, like I mean, you talk too, because I not review your song, and me don't put up your album now, me not talk about your album song now, nothing like that. You see me? So you need to know what you do, brother. And as I say, and this thing, but it's just a correction. You know what I mean? Because I'm young in that thing, you know. And as I say, me are all vlogger friend. Big up Terro Entertainment. At them man they say Chaddy. At them man they are the first man. We reach out and say, youth, you know say you are going good. X, Y, and Z. Them man they, I'm a general. Big up Terro Entertainment. Anyway you're there. I know y'all watch this right now. You see me? And other vloggers out there, me rate too. Brando, big up yourself, same speed. Because me see, Brando, me and him never to link like that. Me just get a notification from my phone one day and say, yo, your video has been shared in someone community tab. You see me? So Brando, big up yourself for that. And me see you share our next video for me. Big up yourself for that. All vloggers, wanna big up on yourself. You see me? And if you like this video and you like the content that I put out, don't hesitate, man. Hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification as well. So anytime I upload videos, y'all gotta be the first to know. And if you like that video, yeah, like it. If you dislike it, I mean, you know what to do. If you feel like, say, you want to share your point, the comment section is always open. You see me? I'm out.
I bet they say them a got some bad mind and them see the negative, them never see the good in man. Certain bloggers, you shoulda call them faggers, cause all them do a pick side and well quick for bring down man. Big up JA Radio, Shock and West.